Beach, August 20th, 2025. Just 2025. It's a beautiful day, breezy. Feels like offshore. No, coming out of the north. The hurricane is somewhere out that way. Erin, she's staying offshore. Thank God. Gonna miss the United States, which is good news. It's supposed to bring higher waves more to North Carolina, but the way that South Carolina, we're a crescent coast, so we kind of dodge the bullet a lot sometimes. Where North Carolina gets more because of the way they stick out compared to the way we do. But these are some big waves for us. A lot of the surfers are all excited. A lot of college kids are going to be down here with boogie boards, surfboards. Because, yeah, it is low tide right now, so you can see how big the beach is. I think we have 20 more minutes of low tide before it'll start going in again. So we wanted to get here at low tide to see the waves. And Myrtle Beach is not a real shelly beach. We're at 48th Ave North. So downtown is that direction where the Sky Wheel is, where the 14th Avenue Pier, 2nd Avenue Pier. And yep, they're out there with their little boogie boards having a good time. And then that direction up there would be North Myrtle Beach, Apache Pier, Windy Hill, Shore Drive, up that area, and then you go farther to Longs and Little River. So it'll like, try to zoom in a little bit where it goes out that way. So it kind of curves left to right that direction. Huh? Oh, our chairs blew over. That's okay. As long as they don't go anywhere. It's gorgeous. Some pretty big waves. The water is perfect temp. Not hot, not cold. Some pretty big waves, don't you think? You think 3 feet, maybe 4? Yeah. You gotta get out there a ways.
4 to 5.
Yeah. Let's get out in the water a little bit, get our feet wet. Beautiful day. It's about 92, but the breeze, shore breeze, sea breeze is great. Oh yeah, there you can see some waves coming. Gorgeous.